In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use PowerPoint Cameo. Whether you're a seasoned presenter or just getting started with creating compelling slideshows, Cameo is a fantastic tool that brings a new dimension to your presentations by allowing you to effortlessly incorporate a live camera feed. Let's dive into the step-by-step process of setting this up and enhancing your presentations with a personal touch. First, you need to have PowerPoint installed and open on your computer. So start by launching PowerPoint just as you would with any other program. Once PowerPoint is up and running, you'll want to navigate to the presentation that you wish to enhance with a live camera feature. If you've already prepared a presentation, open it up. If not, go ahead and create a new one. Next, look towards the top of your PowerPoint window for the toolbar. Here you're going to click on the Record tab. The Record tab is the gateway to many powerful features, including Cameo, which helps you add a more interactive and personal element to your slides. This area is where you'll want to focus your attention for the next steps. With the Record tab open, you'll see an option labeled Cameo. Click on this option to proceed. Cameo is what enables your camera feed to be integrated into the slide, providing a live video of yourself that you can place anywhere on your slides. This is particularly useful if you're looking to maintain a connection with your audience as you guide them through your presentation. Once you've clicked on Cameo, the next step involves choosing where you want your camera feed to appear. You'll see a button labeled This Slide. Clicking on this slide allows you to select the specific slide where you want to showcase your live camera feed, whether it's just a single slide or throughout your entire presentation. This flexibility can be particularly handy if you want to appear only during certain parts of your presentation. After you've determined where you want your camera feed to appear, the final step is to turn on your camera. Make sure that your camera is properly connected and powered on. You may need to grant PowerPoint permission to access your camera if it's your first time using this feature. This is where you can adjust the camera settings within PowerPoint to ensure you have the perfect frame and that your video feed looks great. And there you have it. With these steps, you're all set to bring your PowerPoint presentations to life with PowerPoint Cameo. This tool not only helps maintain audience engagement, but also adds a professional touch to your presentations. Give it a try and see how it transforms your approach to presenting. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you leverage the power of Cameo in your next presentation.